Ever had that heart-stopping moment when you're staring at your CPE requirements, wondering if you've kept track of everything correctly? Yeah, me too. But hang on, this story's about to make your life way easier. Listen, I used to be that accountant drowning in CPE certificates, spreadsheets, and deadline anxiety. My desk looked like a paper tornado hit it, and my digital files, let's just say they were about as organized as my teenager's bedroom. Then one day, while pulling an all-nighter trying to piece together my CPE history for an upcoming audit, I discovered something that changed everything. CPEthink.com became my secret weapon, and I'm about to show you exactly how to unlock its power. Getting started is ridiculously simple. Just head to CPEthink.com, click that login button in the top right corner, and boom, you're halfway there. If you're new, the sign-up process takes less time than ordering your morning coffee. Already have an account? Even better. Here's what happened after I started using it. My CPE tracking went from chaos to clockwork. No more late-night panic attacks about missing certificates. No more wondering if I'm meeting state requirements. Everything's organized, tracked, and audit-ready with just a few clicks. Want to experience this peace of mind yourself? Jump over to CPEthink.com right now. The login page is waiting for you, and trust me, your future self will thank you for taking this step today. Leave a comment below, and I'll send you a discount coupon. Don't miss out on making your CPE journey that much easier.